Girl YouTube channel. I'm your host Laura Lee, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to connect with your purpose and turn it into a successful business. The secret to this answer is to have confidence and self-esteem. Why is it that some people seem to have all the luck, brimming with confidence, happiness, and success? They have a strong sense of love and belonging, while other people, no matter how hard they try, are always wondering if they're good enough, or what makes the difference. Is it the money, the opportunity, the talent, the intelligence, the beauty, popularity, the number of likes and shares on followers on that social media? What could it be? If we feel worthy of love and belonging, then we have a strong sense of love and belonging. But if we fear that we're not worthy of love and belonging, then we always wonder if we're good enough and we don't feel like we're loved or we even belong. If you want to belong, if you want to feel loved, then you need to feel worthy of love and belonging. The truth is, you're already worthy of love and belonging. That's not the problem. The real challenge is believing in it. Today, I want to encourage and empower you to leave your comfort zone so that you can really connect with yourself and discover your true essence, what defines you, your purpose in life, and connect in such a way that you can turn it into a successful business. In this video, I will give you 4 tools you need and challenge you to understand a little more about yourself and connect with your passions so you can draw the strength to fight no matter how many nights you have to unveil to make it happen or how many challenges you have to face. I encourage you to not give up until your dream is real. That is the gasoline that motivates you. Don't be afraid to dream big and turn it into a successful business. So take an agenda or notebook, ladies, and start writing down your thoughts and emotions and the decisions you make when you make the following recommendations. Step number 1 is stop for a few minutes and enjoy a moment alone before continuing with your task. Take at least 5 minutes a day to enter your own inner universe. Find a quiet place inside your home or in the garden or in the park to simply listen to the sounds of nature and ask yourself, what stimulates me in this existence? What really nourishes my essence? In this way, observing our thoughts without judging them, we will reach a state of calm that will help us connect with our interior. Step 2 is pay attention to your body's signals. Breathe deeply, try to ease the tensions of the day, and ask yourself how you feel physically. Maybe the body's screaming for you to stretch some muscles. Lie down for a few minutes or eat certain foods. Thank your body for allowing you to meet so many daily obligations, and think about what you would need to feel better. Step 3 is recognize your feelings without judging them. Many times when we reconnect with ourselves after a long time of not doing so, we feel worse at first. This is because we have so many repressed, unrecognized feelings which have accumulated inside and need to be released. All your feelings are valid. Do not judge them in the first instance. Just allow yourself to feel them without labeling them as bad or good. Step 4 is take a moment every day to appreciate who you are and everything you do. The connection with your interior also happens to attend the inner little voice that spends the day criticizing us. With this internal critical voice reproaches you for everything you have not been able to do or achieve. Stop for a minute and congratulate yourself for everything you've achieved and for doing your best. You are a human being and you are not perfect, so you should appreciate every step in taking in the right direction. Remember, ladies, to always be kind to yourself. Increasing your sense of self-purpose and self-esteem takes time, practice, and patience. But the more you challenge your thoughts and perspectives, the greater joy you can find yourself in your abilities. You'll feel proud of how far you've come and you'll look forward to the future. Also, ladies, repeat this to yourself to always stand tall, adjust your crown, be sweet and always be sweet on the inside. Be confident in who you are today. Listen to your own heart and know your own worth and stand up for what you believe in. Let others see into your soul. Be genuine, be gracious, be kind, and always remember to stand tall, stay sweet. A strong mind and a kind heart will always prevail. And always remember my motto, ladies, be a pineapple and always stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. If you love pineapples the way I do, just remember that a pineapple a day keeps the worries away. And don't forget to treat yourself to some pineapple-themed jewelry, fashion, accessories. And please check out my website at www.thetikigirl.com. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also find me on my Instagram page at the Tiki Girl with questions with this topic that I talked about today. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and type a comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'll see you next time. Mahalo!